Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. Hello, my dear English learners. First of all, congratulations. I'm really proud of you for staying consistent. Every time you come back and practice, you're proving something to yourself. You're proving that your English matters, your goals matter, and most importantly, that you're not giving up. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a few questions. How has your day been? I hope something made you smile today. Tell me, where are you joining us from today? If you haven't commented before, I'd love to know. Comment your country and don't forget to add your flag. It always makes me happy to see learners from all around the world learning English together. Now let me ask you one more thing. How are you feeling after your recent speaking practice? Do you feel a little more confident? Are the sentences becoming easier to say? Or do you still feel a little nervous when you speak? Whatever your answer is, that's completely okay. Learning a language is a journey and every learner moves at a different pace. And here's one last question. Have you been speaking English outside these lessons? Maybe you've tried talking to yourself. Maybe you've described your day in English. Or maybe you've started thinking in simple English sentences. If you have, that's amazing. Those small moments of practice are helping more than you realize. Today, I want to remind you of something very important. Many people believe that fluent English speakers never make mistakes, but that's simply not true. Every fluent speaker has made thousands of mistakes. The difference is that they didn't stop. They kept speaking. They kept learning and they kept improving. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of giving up because every mistake is teaching you something new. Every sentence you speak is making your brain stronger, and every day you practice is bringing you closer to your goal. Remember, your voice deserves to be heard. So don't hide it. Use it, practice with it, and trust that it will become stronger over time. Today we'll practice 15 English speaking sentences together. Listen carefully first. Then repeat after me out loud. Copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the natural flow of English. Don't worry if you need to pause or repeat the lesson. That's exactly how confidence is built. All right, my dear learners, let's begin. I am proud that I stayed consistent in learning English. I am proud that I stayed consistent in learning English. I am proud that I stayed consistent in learning English. Great. My confidence grows every time I speak. My confidence grows every time I speak. My confidence grows every time I speak. Awesome. I don't let mistakes stop my progress. I don't let mistakes stop my progress. I don't let mistakes stop my progress. Brilliant. Let's continue. Every challenge helps me become stronger. Every challenge helps me become stronger. Every challenge helps me become stronger. Awesome. I choose courage over fear of speaking. I choose courage over fear of speaking. I choose courage over fear of speaking. Brilliant. Don't give up. I speak English with a positive mindset. I speak English with a positive mindset. I speak English with a positive mindset. Amazing. My daily practice is changing my future. My daily practice is changing my future. My daily practice is changing my future. Great. Speak. Don't be shy. I enjoy learning at my own pace. I enjoy learning at my own pace. I enjoy learning at my own pace. Awesome. I trust myself to keep improving my English. I trust myself to keep improving my English. I trust myself to keep improving my English. Excellent. Every sentence brings me closer to fluency. Every sentence brings me closer to fluency. Every sentence brings me closer to fluency. Great. I celebrate every small improvement. I celebrate every small improvement. I celebrate every small improvement. Nice. You're doing so well. Speaking English is becoming part of my daily life. Speaking English is becoming part of my daily life. Speaking English is becoming part of my daily life. I believe in my ability to succeed. I believe in my ability to succeed. I believe in my ability to succeed. Awesome. I never stop learning English. I never stop learning English. I never stop learning English. I will keep showing up for myself. I will keep showing up for myself. I will keep showing up for myself. Wow. Wonderful job today, my dear learners. You've completed today's English speaking practice. That's something worth celebrating. Remember, fluency isn't built in one big moment. It's built through small daily moments like this one. If today's practice felt challenging, come back and do it again. The more you repeat these sentences, the more natural they'll become. One day you'll notice that you're speaking English with much more confidence. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which sentence was your favorite today? If you've completed today's challenge, let me know in the comments. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. Keep speaking, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next lesson.